What's up guys, Coverage Genius here, back again with another video, and today is Tuesday, August 4th, 2020. Right now it's in the afternoon and tropical storm Isaiah is upon us right now here in New Jersey.
Look at this outflow. You look at these bands of rain coming in, they're tornadic. I mean, if you look at some of these, you can see the curvature in some of these cells. So this has become a significant tornado threat. I mean, we had that, we mentioned it yesterday, and that happened in North Carolina, and you still have some of these tornadoes in New Jersey. Now, some of the tail end of this boundary out here, you start to see the rain and the winds, but you're also getting further away from the radar. So some of those cells may look like they're not as strong, but they are. So with time, all of this is going to continue to move north and bring that tornado threat to northern New Jersey, even portions in New York and Connecticut with time.
Tuesdays are going to be for tips and tricks and just basically pointers and some advice. And today's advice is simply going to be this. I know if you guys are doing sales and you probably understand that you probably know something about rejection, right? It's something I experience every single day when I try to reach out to people and try to create relationships. I always will experience rejection. And when you experience rejection so much, it's only natural to get down on yourself. It's only natural to get a little bit depressed because it seems like nothing is working. Whatever you're trying to do, the calls that you're trying to make, the emails that you're sending, the texts that you're spitting out, I mean, it doesn't seem to be working. And my advice to you is to take it in stride. Take the rejection in stride. This is part of the process. Part of the process of being an effective salesperson and a leader in what you're trying to do in your industry is to understand that not all people are going to like you. Not all people are going to be receptive to what you're trying to say, what you're selling. You're going to face 9 times out of 10 rejection. So how do you overcome this? One way to really overcome this, I think, is to really examine yourself, to see deep down inside if you have the tenacity to push through, if you have the willingness and the desire to keep going despite the obstacles that you are facing, despite the rejection. Do you have the discipline to really plan out your day and continue to go after it time and time again? Studies have shown that really repetition is the key to success. So if you're getting no answers to your calls, if you're getting rejection left and right, my suggestion to you is to just keep doing it. Keep pushing forward with the understanding that you're not going to close 9 out of 10 deals, right? You're going to close probably 1 out of 10 or maybe even 1 out of 20, right? So keep going at it. I encourage you, you've decided to take this opportunity in your hands. And well, nothing in this world is free, right? Things that you get for free aren't worth having. At the end of the day, you want to be, a little bit proud of what you've accomplished that day. And the only way to do that is to put in the hard work, the time, the effort. Right? Because if something was given to you for free and it really required no effort of yourself, then, it's not worth it. Yeah, maybe you made a sale, but really, did you make the sale or was it given to you? So that's my little tip. That's my little advice for you today. I'm going to keep it short because the weather is crazy and we don't know what's going on. Lights have been flickering on and off in the office, so we might have to call it a short day. But I just wanted to check in with you and post this video for Tuesday this week. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video. Please smash the subscribe button. That's really going to help me develop this channel and develop my reach so that I can help people like you stay motivated, stay on track, stay focused with what they're trying to do in their lives. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.